Hey again, Year 7s, and this is our next video tutorial. How can I say that every time? Might have to come up with a new intro. Exercise 9E, looking now at quadrilaterals. So we've just looked at, I don't know why I keep drawing on these little angles, but anyway, just looked at triangles and angle sum of triangles. So now we're looking at quadrilaterals. Okay, now quadrilaterals. We've sort of looked at these in our very first tutorial, I think. Quad meaning four, so it's going to be polygons. They are still a type of polygon, and they are going to have four sides. Okay, doesn't have to be even all equal side lengths like I've done there, as you can see in these pictures here. They can be any shape or size or construction, as long as they've got four closed sides, they are a quadrilateral. So here you can see a convex quadrilateral which has four exterior angles, interior angles that are all less than 180 degrees, and being convex, again the vertices, okay, are pointing outwards. All right. We've also got non-convex quadrilateral, which has one I'm struggling, one interior angle greater than 180 degrees, as you can see here, and it's got at least one vertice pointing inwards. Okay, so convex and non-convex. Okay, now you've got some special types of quadrilaterals which you should know about, and there are 6 of them. We've got squares, as you can see here. Side lengths are the same, all sides, they're two pairs of sides are parallel, so these sides are parallel and these sides are parallel. All side lengths are the same, and all angles are at 90 degrees. Rectangle, very similar to a square, but two pairs of two pairs of side lengths that are equal. So these side lengths are equal, these side lengths are equal, but different to these side lengths. I hope that makes sense. So two pairs of parallel lines, sides, two square pairs of sides of equal length, and all angles at 90 degrees. Then you've got a rhombus, which is basically a square with a top just pushed over to the side a little bit. So you've got two pairs of parallel sides, all sides are of equal length. So remember that all sides are equal in length with a rhombus, or a diamond, also seen as a diamond. And opposite angles are equal. So these angles are equal, and these angles are equal. Okay, but this angle in here and this angle in here are not equal. Okay, so opposite angles are equal. We've also got a parallelogram, which is basically a rectangle. So think rhombus is a square pushed on its, just with the top pushed over a little bit. Parallelogram is a rectangle with the top pushed over a little bit. And very similar characteristics though. So two pairs of parallel sides, two pairs of sides of equal length, and opposite angles are equal. So these two angles that are opposite each other are equal, and these two angles that are opposite each other are equal. Then you've got a trapezium, which has just one pair of parallel lines. It's all it's got, one pair of parallel lines, and these other guys are just in there for the ride, I suppose. They just make up the shape, but they're one pair of parallel lines. And then you've got a kite, okay, which has two pairs of sides of equal length. So here and here, they're equal, and these two bottom ones are equal, or on this side are equal, and one pair of opposite angles that are equal size. So this angle in here and this angle in here are going to be equal, but these guys are not going to be equal. Okay, so they are not equal. It's only these two angles. Okay, so where the vertices of the two different lengths of the sides meet, okay, on each side, they then create the equal angles that are opposite each other in there. All right, so yes, convex quadrilateral, non-convex quadrilaterals, and then 6 special types of quadrilaterals: squares, rectangles, rhombuses, parallelograms, trapeziums, and kites. I'd be getting that information down in your books, just to make sure you do have the information about what makes each of these quadrilaterals a little bit different from each other. Okay, quick example, state the type of each quadrilateral given below. Okay, so we've got a quadrilateral here. We're going to call that a what type? Actually, what you can do is pause it, go off, have a quick crack at these, only take you a couple of minutes, come back and we'll check them together. Off you go. Welcome back. Hopefully, again, it gets very weird if you don't actually pause it. But anyway, all right, so this one we've got a non-convex. We've got this guy poking in there, so this angle poking inwards rather than outwards. Okay, so A, we've got a non-convex, sorry, right there, quadrilateral, so a non-convex quadrilateral, and B, okay, so we can only go by the information it's given. You can't assume anything else. So all we can see is that this has got two parallel sides. That's all I've got. So one pair of parallel sides here and here, this side and this side. So let's have a look at our little specials here. Two pairs, two pairs, two pairs of parallel, two pairs, one pair of parallel lines. So what we have is a trapezium. So that shape is a trapezium, one pair of parallel lines. That's all we've been given in that information, if I clear all that out. Okay, that's all we've got. So B is a trapezium. Okay, quick check. Non-convex quadrilateral, got that one. And trapezium for part B. All right, that easy. Okay, that's all you need to know. So again, another nice short quick video. You must be loving these videos. I've really whittled them down as long as I don't bang on too much. But I'm going to end with another little joke here. You ready for it? Why do crabs never donate to charity? Because they are shellfish. Yeah, I like it. That's a good one. Anyway, on that note, we shall see you next time. Bye-bye.